Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you unboxing and first look of a really nice, very inexpensive, on the budget, small Lockback knife. So I did go through the Ryder catalog like I usually do, and wanted to check out what is there for under $10 as far as a small EDC knife goes, and this one was available with my dealer, so I jumped on it and was really intrigued by the overall the construction and also the price, of course. So this will be the Ryder Black G10 Lockback folding knife. So yes, I know, really unoriginal name, but it is model number RR2178. And let me tell you up front, usually I say this in the later part of the video, but the price is $5.99. So you can definitely have a really decent small knife for, let's say, a cup of coffee or maybe a hamburger. I don't know what are the prices over there in the US, but here around, if you go to Starbucks or any of those franchises, you will pay more for than this. Unfortunately, I also have to say the downside. Here in Europe, these will cost you almost the double, around €9.68, all around 10 euros. But definitely, even for 10 euros, you are getting a substantial value for your money. So that had to be said up front, and now let me give you the specifications. So we have an overall length of 15.4 centimeters, so 6.1 inches. So not that small, I would say medium to small. For me, definitely a three-finger affair right here, but there is to be expected at this small form factor. The blade is 6.5 centimeters or 2.6 inches. So if you live in a jurisdiction where you are permitted to carry in the public only knives under 3 inches, then this will definitely is for those countries or cities. Okay. The blade width is 1.7 centimeters or 0.6 inches. Thickness is 2 millimeters, 0.07 inches. Handle 9 centimeters, 3.5 inches. Thickness of handle is 1.1 centimeter or 0.4 inches. Before I go further, let me point out only one thing. The only thing that I'm missing on this one here is a small pocket clip. That is probably the only thing that I would change on the design. Maybe putting the opener, the thumb opener, or a nail nick more in front of the blade, but I get it what they did on this part to have a nice clean swedge. So the blade, as you could expect, is a 440A satin clip point. Ryder does prefer to use this blade steel. It is inexpensive, it is stainless steel, and it is light to sharpen, so they really try to give you the most value for your money. That is no doubt about it. Okay. What I was not expected is that usually at this price point we are having some kind of injection molded plastic or something like that. On this one, I will give you a decently thick slabs of G10 with a medium coarse, soft texture, but there is not a problem there. This will definitely not slip out. We have full stainless steel liners. Yes, they are a little bit dirty inside, but at this price point I will not complain about it. From outside, everything looks nice and clean. We have a backlock construction, so this knife is perfectly safe. We also have a half stop which is a little bit unusual by some locking knives, but this time Rough Rider does give us this extra little bit of security. On the blade tank we have the model number, made in China, of course. Let's try the sharpness out of the box. Okay, so the knife is definitely sharp, but it could use a little bit of stropping, or if you have your ceramic rods then, or edge strop, just do a few paces and you will probably refine the edge to a shaving sharpness. Another unusual thing that I see on this one is that at this price point, usually you are getting pinned construction. No, on this one we have a screw, so you can disassemble the knife, clean it out. For the pivot assembly, it probably rides on, I cannot see it good, but probably let me try to. There are probably brass washers, but it's fairly smooth. As far as hotspots go, since this is a small knife, if you have a large hand, this will definitely dig into your meat of your hand, right here. So I can definitely feel it poking me. They could probably use the bevel down or around more the corner here. Don't know why they left it this. But overall, I would say for $6, this is definitely a nice option for, let's say, your stocking filler, or maybe you just want to give somebody their first knife, a inexpensive gift, or if this one had a lanyard hole, this will be also a really nice keychain knife. So yeah. As far as weight goes, this is 64.4 grams or 2.3 ounces. So yeah, a little bit on the heavier side for this size, but let's keep it real. We have full stainless steel liners, thick G-10 scales. So yeah, this is definitely a really nice, sturdy made knife. Let's see. I feel a little bit of wiggle side to side, a little bit also up and down. This is probably to be expected at this price point, but definitely no problems there. The lock is nice and tight there. So let's check out the centering. It's a little bit to the left, but yeah. This could also function as a 5th jean pocket knife, so let's see my old trusty jean pocket here. Yeah, it's a little bit is poking out, but should be no problem to have it here. Please be aware of it. It could slip out and you could lose it, but at this price point you probably will not break a sweat about it. Okay, so now let's see a few size comparisons. So I borrowed out couple of smaller knives that I have. This is probably one of the oldest cast members here on my channel, the OG SOG Flash 1, which still probably to this day is one of the lightest locking knife that I have. Then previously featured on my channel was the inexpensive EDC knife from Ontario Knife Company. I'm really sad that they are closing shop. So stay tuned for a couple of more Ontarios. I will try to get the next month. And this is the Camp Plus, the Midnight EDC. Basically a $15 or $14 or $12 knife. This will be considered as a full-size EDC with really nice, a wire pocket clip. But like I mentioned, we have ABS plastic or FRN scale. So let's say for a double, or sometimes definitely sometimes even more than double price of this one. And let's see, from back I have here the Slim Ranger. This is the 112. This is the smaller one, still around around $30 if I'm not mistaken. Definitely a excellent knife. So if you have to have a, let's say, similar design, backlog, American made, then this is one great knife for your collection, or maybe as a gift for somebody who appreciates American made products. They should have the same steel. They should be also 420 HC. And Buck does really do know how to heat treat that steel to give you the maximum potential of the parameters that steel can provide the user. Okay, let's continue with the Buck Vintage Select Small. This would be on par. I don't know if these are still available. I got it a long time ago. Another small knife, if you are looking for a keychain knife, will be the K-Bar Dozier, the small folder, the 02-4072. Basically a smaller version of the large one that I have also here. I usually leave this for the end of the video, but this is the full-size folding hunter, and this is the small one. Yes, it comes with a clip and also with a split ring to have it attached on your keys. Let's continue with one more classic. This is the red Model 2. As far as small knives go, let's see, here is the CRKT Pilar 1. As you can see, it's even a little bit smaller. CVV Elementum, QSP Penguin, Benchmade Bug Out, the CGRB Feldspar Mini, small Griptilian from Benchmade, and this time let's do the Rough Rider Peanut as the last. So like I mentioned, overall I would say this is really hard to beat in the realm of inexpensive secondary or small EDC folders. Maybe a survival tin case scenario. If you'd like to build up your maybe a small first aid kit, then you can definitely put something like this into the pouch, or maybe thin box, or whatever like to have. Also, it is a great backup to have maybe on your desk, or maybe in your car. For some reason you need a knife or need to give somebody a knife, then this is an excellent option. Hopefully they will not discontinue this model. They should be still available. You can check them out also on Smoky Mountain Knife Works. They are the dealer of this brand. They are also the owner of this brand, so check out the current pricing there, and then of course your favorite Rough Rider dealer. Okay, so this was the Rough Rider Black G10 Lockback folding knife, probably one of the least expensive or inexpensive knife that Rough Rider does produce. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.